Hi, it's Mary here from Reviewer's Diary. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And if you like this video when you get done watching it, give it a thumbs up. That really does help me. It makes it more visible to other viewers on YouTube. So this is a late September unboxing. Now, Allure Beauty Box is really good if you don't have 1,000 things in your drawer like I do. So I did subscribe for a year as a birthday gift. Started last November, so I have canceled my subscription. But since I paid through the 1st of November, my last box will be October. So yeah, my birthday's in December, but I got excited and ended up subscribing. So anyway, here's the booklet. It has everything in it. And I'm going to start with this little thing. It's a teeny tiny dropper bottle of Midnight Recovery Concentrate Replenishing Elixir of pure essential oils. I don't know about that essential oils business. Younger looking skin. I could use a little younger looking skin. So anyway. The next thing is Kristen S. Restructive Moisture Mask. I wonder if this is a sleeping mask. Oh, it's a hair thing. After shampooing, rinse. Run a small amount from the middle to ends. Allow it to air dry. No, allow it to sit for 5 minutes, rinse thoroughly. Okay, so it's a hair thing. This I think is a hair thing also. Yeah, maybe. Eve Lam. After cleansing, apply all over entire face. Okay, this might be a full size. I can't really tell. But it is Rescue Mask. And masks are awesome, especially when they're new and the ones you have are old as hell. Anyway, it says apply over the entire face, avoiding eyes, leave on for between 15 and 20 minutes, remove gently with a upward movement, and wipe skin clean with a damp muslin cloth. Shake well before use. All right, this is good. This might be full size. I'll have to figure that out. Oh, and then there are cards and crap in here. I really enjoyed HelloFresh, and I had a whole video series that I recorded that got dumped by my computer when it died, so yeah, just trust me, it's delicious, but I don't get it any longer. And this is Beauty Bento Kaja. Now this is one of the things we had to pick, and I remember the other thing was like, nah, I don't think so. I didn't want the other thing. I guess I should open this end. And I didn't really care about this one either, but it does have some beautiful colors in it. So, whoops. I just lost the circle. Anyway, that's a really pretty gold. And then there is this brown. And then, whoop, and there goes the other circle. Whoops, right on the floor. I'll end up picking that up with the vacuum. And then a really dark color. I'm thinking I might give this to my daughter, because she might be more likely to use it than I will. It's a very nice basic set. If it had some color to it, I might have been more interested, but I'm not that interested. So then there's Mud Masky. Can I say that we've been getting Mud Masky in everything? In every box. Anyway, every box has Mud Masky in it, and what is this stuff anyway? It's a moisturizer, serum infused moisturizer. That might actually be nice. So we'll give that a try. And then there's this collagen mask by Rail. And I really do like this brand. So yeah. So this is a lot of really good stuff. Not so sure about that. I try to stay away from things that are like labeled like that, full-on, you know, essential oils language. But yeah, this is a bunch of decent stuff. And here's the book. And according to the book, this Kaja is $26. The Eve Lam rescue mask is not, yeah, I did get rescue mask, is, whoa. Yeah, this is full size, and it retails for $58. Holy crap, holy crap. Then there's this dropper of Kiehl's. Not sure I am interested in trying that. Then there's Kristen S. Strand Re-Strengthening and Re-Texturizing and Moisture Mask. That's for hair. And yeah, 6 ounces is the full size. Now Mud Masky, let's see, did I get a full size of this? Yes, that's full size. Mud Masky Serum Infused Moisturizer, $55 for that size. And then the mask, I think they're counting as the full size. Although this is full size. They make their 3, but they're supposed to make 3 to 4 full size items, which I'm thinking they might be counting the mask. The mask is $15 for 5, so one is worth $5. So no, not even $15 for 5. Crap. Got to get the calculator out for that one because my brain is not on full amps right now. Anyway, this is really good. I did not look at any spoilers for the next box, and I don't believe there was a choice involved because I always looked for those emails, and only occasionally you get a choice. This is really cool. This is really cool. And I'm not in love with much else, so yeah, there's going to be some stuff going to my daughter and her friends. Yeah, after I decide what I'm going to do. So anyway, I'll be back soon with the last box that I'm going to get, which is the October box. And I hope that since it's going to be my last box, that they make it a good one. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This has been Mary with Reviewer's Diary. Let me know what you got in your Allure box, because I don't think everybody gets the same thing, but I'm not positive. Who knows? So let me know. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because that really does help me. Thanks, and have a beautiful evening. Good night.